When putting plants outside to harden them off, does the feel-like temperature matter or just the actual air temperature?
So an actual air temperature, the feels like usually means there's a lot of wind, which can be hard on plants as well.
Yeah, if it feels like 40, if it's 60 degrees, but it really feels like 38, you got some wind and it is cold, just like the wind chill in the winter.
It's also to do with the humidity,
right?
And then the dew point and all that.
But
stuff.
also, you want to be aware of when you're putting these plants out to harden them off.
Right.
Hardening them off is a process for those who are new to gardening. If you are starting your seeds indoors and you're going to plant them outside, it is a transition period at the appropriate time of year in which you're acclimating the plants, a tomato plant, from your indoor growing environment to the outdoor in a time period of about 5 to 7 days. Gradually introducing them to more and more sunlight to the point where you can leave the plant out in full sunlight and overnight to get it ready to go in the ground. If you're buying your plant starts from a independent garden center or big box store where those plants are already outside, the hardening off process is not needed. You can just buy them, bring them home, put them in the ground. Also, the thing is, regardless if you got the plant hardened off or not, you got to think about root zone temperature, because you can have your tomato plant hardened off correctly. It's ready to go. But if that ground temperature is below 45 degrees, you're going to potentially put that plant in shock, and either it's going to delay the growth of that plant. So at root zone, take a meat thermometer, digital meat thermometer, put it in the ground, and then also look for your long-range forecast. For the example of the tomato, if the long-range forecast shows 50-plus degrees night and day for over 10-plus days, you should be fine to go once your plant is hardened off, put in the ground. Onions, peas, leeks, all that other stuff is you got to figure out on that on your own based on that example there.